Hello everyone, this is class 23 on income tax 2 and in today's class we are going to solve two sums on inter-source set-off. And the question is, compute income from business of Mr. Shivansh from the following information for the assessment year 2021. You are given information of income and loss of three business A, B and C. First one, income from business A rupees 5 lakh, loss from business B rupees 2 lakh and loss from business C is rupees 1 lakh. With this information you are asked to compute income from business of Mr. Shivansh for the assessment year 2021. Let us start solving this sum. Computation of income from business of Mr. Shivansh for the assessment year 2021. This is inter-source set-off. Here, loss incurred from one business is set off with the income earned from another business. First, we have to take the positive figure. Among business A, B and C, you are given income for business A, that is income from business A is rupees 5 lakh. Note down first profit earned from any business. Here business A has given you the profit of rupees 5 lakh, that is the reason we are first taking income from business A. Income from business A is rupees 5 lakh. From this we have to deduct the losses incurred from business B as well as business C. Less loss from business B is rupees 2 lakh and then loss from business C is rupees 1 lakh. Thus we get total amount outer column at rupees 3 lakh. 5 lakh is income from business A and total business loss from business B as well as C is rupees 3 lakh. 5 lakh minus 3 lakh we get balance of 2 lakh. This is known as income from business. I hope you have understood this sum. This sum is based on inter-source set-off, wherein loss incurred from one business is set off with the incomes earned from another business. In this sum, you are given income as well as loss. Business A has earned income of rupees 5 lakh, wherein business B and C has incurred loss of rupees 2 as well as 1 lakh. Therefore, we have to set off the losses with the income earned from business A. Thus, at the end, we get income from business at rupees 2 lakh. Let us solve one more sum on inter-source set-off on income from house property. And the question is, Mr. Rahul is a landlord owning 5 buildings. The income from them for the previous year 2019-20 is as follows. Income from house property after deduction under section 24. First, building 1, which is let out property for residence, is rupees 1 lakh. Building 2, let out property for commercial purpose, is rupees 2 lakh. Building 3, self-occupied property, which is 2 lakh, minus 2 lakh indicates loss. Then building 4, let out property for residence, minus 1 lakh means it is loss. And building 5, let out property for residence rupees 5 lakh. With this information, you are asked to compute the income from house property for the assessment year 2021. Let us start solving the sum. Always remember that whenever you are doing set off of the losses with the incomes earned, you should first take all the positive figures first and then you have to adjust the losses. Though in the sum you can see building 1 is profit, 2 is profit, then it is loss, again profit. But when you are solving the sum, first take all the profits one after one and then deduct all the losses. This is how we have to solve the sums under set off. Take all the positive figure first, that means take all the profits first and then deduct all the losses. So here building 1, take down income from building 1. If you want, you can write it in bracket LOP for residence, LOP for commercial purpose, otherwise income or loss is sufficient. So income from building 1 is rupees 1 lakh. Then we have to add other incomes of building. So income from building 2. Income from building 2 is 2 lakh. Then income from building 3 shows loss, building 4 is also showing loss, therefore directly we are taking income from building 5. Income from building 5. ₹5 lakh. What is the total that we get? Is rupees 8 lakh. 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 8 lakh. Total income from house property from building 1, 2 and 5. From this we have to deduct loss from building less loss from building 3. Building 3 shows loss of rupees 2 lakh. And then loss from building 4. Loss from building 4 amounts to rupees 1 lakh. Thus we get total here 3 lakh rupees. Now total positive figure is 8 lakh, wherein the negative figure or loss is 3 lakh. Let us show it in bracket which indicates loss. Now 8 lakh minus 3 lakh, we get balance of rupees 5 lakh. This 5 lakh is known as income from house property. This is how the sums on inter-source set-off are calculated. In first sum, we have solved a sum on income from business, wherein you are given income from business A as well as loss from business B. Always first take positive figure, that is income, and then you set off the losses against the profits. In second sum, we have solved a sum on inter-source set off on building, that is income from house property. Here also, irrespective of the sequence given in the question, always we have to take incomes from buildings and then we have to deduct the losses, and the balance figure what we get is known as income from house property. I hope you have understood these simple sums. In next class we will be solving sums on inter-head set off. These two sums are based on inter-source set off, wherein the loss from the same source is adjusted with the profit against the same source. That is, building loss is adjusted with building profit. Business loss is adjusted against the business profit. This is known as inter-source set off. In next class, we will be solving sums on inter-head set off.